Germ.
Oh, did you get it?
We got it.
Nice.
Yep, you got him. Yep. Just right. Ow, ow. Got his feet. Hold left. Hold left. Oh, hit. You're hitting right. There you go.
I got the windage.
That was it there. Low. Low. That did it.
High and left.
What the?
You got him that time. Let's get on.
Woo! That's hot.
Yeah, give her a minute. Oh.
How in the hell?
Shut under him.
That's where I held it.
All right. Halt. Halt.
What the heck?
I'm getting peppered with brass.
Sorry, I'm gonna vote.
I got one more shot left. I held under him.
Got him. One right. Oh, they're everywhere. Yep, hit him in the head. Double tapped.
One behind where you're
To the
shooting.
left, to the left, to the left. There's two.
To the left, yeah.
Go. Go. Got him.
Did you get that one?
Yep. Hey, just left.
I see him.
Good. Just high. Got him. Get him. There you go. Got him.
Got him, nice.
This is a good minute and a half here.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh! Did you get that?
There's one above him.
Yeah.
There's,
Got him.
Yeah.
Now just right of that.
just to the right of that, there's one with the glow.
I got it.
Go ahead, one to the
Got it.
shot.
Good.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, you know what I forgot to do?
There, it's better now.
There we go.
Got him.
Yep.
Just wait, just wait. Okay, I got targets. Hold on. Hold on. Up on that hillside. Above Mini Ridge.
Oh, I see.
See that one glowing up
Oh
there?
yeah.
Yep.
There's two of them up there.
Good.
Tell me when you're good.
Good. Low.
Got him.
No, that was low. Just high. Left. Hit it. That did it.
I'm looking at it.
That was it. Got him.
Nice shot.
Oh, I see it.
I don't see it.
Hold on.
Mound.
You ready?
No.
I'm not even, I don't see it. It's all right.
Okay.
Oh, I see him.
All right.
Nice shot, Jerm.
Got him. I've got two, or one, there's a clump of dirt and one sitting there.
Yep, that's
Shoot
where
that
I'm at. You filming?
Yep. You punched right through him. I could see the hole on it. That did it.
What's rolling?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Well, there's a lot of wind, Jerm. Hold for the wind. Or let it sit.
Oh, wait. I fell off. Ah. Okay, good. Got that one. Whatever you did there, do it again. Get them. Woo! Just low right. I think you got him. There's one just past him. Yep. Oh. Got him. You got him. You hit him right in the butt. Got him.
Okay, there's one to the right.
I'm on him.
You running? There you go. Oh, coming left, coming at us.
Right by that dead one.
Okay,
He's using his buddy as cover.
I don't see him.
There he's standing.
I got him.
Ooh.
Is he up?
Hi. Hi. Just to the right of him. There he's moving.
Is he moving?
He's heading straight away.
Is that one
Will you
dead?
wait a frickin' second?
He doesn't know how to. Find it.
I think you got him on that one.
Might have got it.
That was a hit.
295.
That's it? Got him, nailed him.
Got him.
Perfect.
You got him too.
Yeah, you did. Just off.
Got him.
Got him.
Just high. Just under the hole.
Yeah.
You might have went through it and got him. I don't know.
Wow.
They were too close.
Got
him. I think you hit him.
Got him. Got him.
Got that one. Get the one beside him.
Got him. Zipped
Oh.
him. Good shot. That was beautiful.
Yep.
Over him.
Right. High right.
You hit him. There you go.
That's it.
I heard the whack that time.
Oh, he just went down.
He knew what was going to happen. He was in my sector.
Get out of there.
That is not the place to hang. That's my happy spot.
Oh, you hit him.
Ah, on it. Double tap.
I am like 6 inches low on him. Recording. Right over him. Oh.
To the left.
Okay.
Right or high?
High.
Or right?
Oh. That hit.
You hit him.
Yeah, his
flickering.
tail's flickering.
His tail's flipping. A little to the right. Got him.
Okay.
Caught him.
Hit him.
Give me another. High. High. On him.
Oh. Yep.
Okay, go to
Left,
the
there's
left
like
of that
4 of
path.
them.
There's like 3 or 4 of them standing there.
Got him.
Well, there's like.
I'm gonna go and shoot.
Okay. Yep. Oh my goodness.
Okay, the one that ran stops him to kill him.
Yep. Low.
Low.
Hit. Go right over top of him.
Yep.
Low. Right, just a little higher. Just a little higher. Little, you hit right.
Behind them.
Yeah, right. Look at him looking behind him. Hit.
Here, Germ. This is too much fun for someone
If you
else.
stand right here, you'll block all the ammo.
Just to the right of that, there's one on the mound.
Wow. Sorry, I got a little carried away. I said I was going to shoot one. That was too much fun.
Blocker go. Oh, hold on.
Sorry, I thought that was it.
Trying to get one in the scope and you're tugging.
That's the
What
story.
is going on here? Gotcha. Go ahead. Good.
Got
Hit.
him.
Oh yeah. You can see the vapor trails on these.
High. Got him.
Hit.
High. 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 Got him.
Got him.
Boy, I had to aim way low on it.
Yeah.
You walked it into him.
When it starts getting hot, it's definitely shooting high.
Yeah. Go ahead, Adam.
Hold on. It's trying to focus in on the freaking. Okay.
Good.
Good.
High. Got him.
Got one.
Shoot the close one.
You got him.
Hit there.
Now there's one right behind him.
Got him.
Yeah.
Ooh, you got him. Nice shot offhand.
Ooh.